Hey everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. Today, I'll walk you through the process of adding a song to your WhatsApp status. So whether you want to spice up your status with a photo or a video, accompanied by a catchy tune, stick around and follow these simple steps. Now it's worth noting that Instagram unfortunately doesn't offer a direct option to add a song to your WhatsApp status. But don't worry, I'll show you a workaround. All you need to do is upload a story on your Instagram with the music you want, then download that story and upload it to your WhatsApp status. First things first, open up your Instagram application, tap on your story, and let's capture a dummy video or photo right here. Now, it's time to add some music. Tap on the music sticker icon, search for your desired track, and select it. You can even turn off the lyrics if you prefer. Once you're happy with your selection, tap on Done, then save your story to your photo gallery. Next, head over to your WhatsApp, tap on Status, then the camera icon. Select the video you just downloaded from Instagram and hit Send. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to add a song to your WhatsApp status. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.